feel like Estetica did a really nice job on their debut of a heat-friendly fiber. One of the most thrilling aspects of this new line by Estetica is their cap design. Today we're going to check out BRIGHTON by Estetica in that new heat-friendly fiber. I really like this wig. Let's start there. Estetica has released, I think, 4 new heat-friendly styles. Today we're going to check out BRIGHTON, a short to mid-length wavy bob style cut. Lots of beach wave, some nice cap features. I love the design. Everybody likes something different. And it's the nuance of a style that really makes the difference when you go to shop for wigs. We all have different tastes and preferences, right? Just because I like a style doesn't mean you have to like a style. We're so blessed to have so many options. So let's start our analysis of this detail by going into some facts about this fiber. Heat-friendly fiber in one brand might act and look a little differently compared to one in another brand. Taking Raquel Welch, for instance, Raquel Welch's heat-friendly fiber is a coarser, kind of a velvety, waxy feeling fiber. I find that it gets stringy more quickly than some of the finer heat-friendly fiber that we have seen on the likes of a HBelle Tress style, which is more silky fine and a little more buttery in its texture. Now, all heat-friendly fiber is going to be more delicate compared to a non-heat friendly, okay? It's just the chemical process that happens to the fibers. And they are a little more prone to static and damage. And so it is a trade-off. Everything is a trade-off. So what we get with a heat-friendly fiber is the lack of shine. It looks natural. I think it moves more naturally. It moves more like human hair as compared to the full synthetic. We're able to heat style it and tweak it according to our preferences and tastes. So it's a little more easy to customize our style. And the heat from my hand is very responsive as compared to a regular synthetic. So I feel like Estetica did a really nice job on their debut of a heat-friendly fiber. It is a more coarser type fiber. So it's kind of in between that HBelle Tress and that Raquel Welch. It's not sticky though. It doesn't feel sticky. I think the movement is fabulous. There's no shine at all. Because this color, which is RH1488, would typically have a lot more shine on it if it were a non-heat friendly synthetic. It reacts so very well just to the heat of my hands. Seriously, all I did was take this out of the box, turn it upside down, and bring some air into the layers, and then I kind of swirled and began my repetitive motions of styling this away from the face. That is my trademark method, right? And I love how all of the ingredients have come together with this style. The style theory, the fiber, just everything about it, I really enjoy. I'll tell you why. That first piece right off of the lace front is about 6 inches. So with a 6-inch bang, we can easily sweep it away from the face so that it's not pesky in your eyes. And again, with this heat-friendly fiber, I found that just by doing a little hand maneuver, it stays out of the face. It's very easy to train. It's receptive to my commands, if you will. Command your wig, ladies. You have to be in control, or you know what happens. It controls you, and that's never a fun thing. All around, it's about 12 inches. I absolutely adore this graduated layering. So we have about 12 inches around the face, 12 inches overall, but you can see where there is some graduated layering among the waves in the back of the style. That reduces the weight. It helps the movement. It increases the realism of this too, just because it's such a nice light density. Now there's a lot of fiber here, don't get me wrong. But I'm not sensing that it's an overabundance. I think it's a nice average density. Let's compare this to the one I feel like this is most like in our heat-friendly foray, and that is the Editor's Pick by Raquel Welch. Editor's Pick has a 4-inch bang as opposed to a 6. And overall, it feels to me like the same exact style as Editor's Pick. The curl pattern is a little choppier, which puts you in mind of something like HBelle Tress. But again, if we're looking at Bonbon or even Kona as an example, I feel like those front pieces are just so long and unmanageable compared to the beautiful fringe on BRIGHTON. So the weight on BRIGHTON is about 3.5 ounces. It's really lightweight. Now we can see some variance in density, which is going to affect that weight overall. But I really feel like this is nice, light, natural density. It feels very lightweight on the head. It features an extended lace front and left monofilament side part. So let's go into this color RH1488 for just a moment. And again, this is going to look a little different compared to an equivalent style of a non-heat friendly in the Estetica line. So what we have is a medium beigey honey blonde. We've got that honey base and then some natural blonde highlights. And those natural blonde highlights are very light around the face. It does brighten it up. They take the highlight directly to that lace front. So let's get up close on the lace front for this RH1488. The lace features are exquisite. Estetica, I always feel like, does a nice lace front. It's a temple to temple extended lace front. Left mono part. You should be able to see through to the illusion of scalp in against all of those monofilament features. That gives it a nice natural look. One of the most thrilling aspects of this new line by Estetica is their cap design. The same sort of cap design in terms of beautiful lace features, open wefts, but they are going to a Velcro adjustment built into the cap that makes all the difference for people like me that always struggled with those strap, hook, and pocket type adjusters that Estetica uses. I struggled to get a good fit on Estetica because of the way the cap was designed. These caps seem to fit me a little bit better. I would say that they still have that average to average large appeal, but I am getting a better, more secure fit with these Velcro adjusters. And guess what? They don't fall out of the pockets. Again, I think there's still enough stretch in Estetica to accommodate that average large. So let's talk permatease on BRIGHTON. There is some permatease here, guys. It's not the soft pillowy kind. How I kind of gauge how much permatease, if I can put my fingers in and it goes immediately through the wefts and I can feel my scalp, I feel like that is a nice modest amount of permatease. If I stick my fingers in and it's blocked from touching my scalp by all the permatease, that's when I start getting into the thicker feel of permatease. So I think they're using a combination of some pre-tease and some regular bottom, kind of a bottom permatease effect to create this lift. Glasses fit nicely, neatly, securely, and comfortably between the ear and the ear tab. I feel like this is 2 thumbs up for you regular glasses wearers out there. So let's get into some styling. I can't wait to shake this around and just give you some inspiration. Again, a beautiful new style by Estetica Designs. Thank you, Estetica, for those Velcro adjusters and this lovely heat-friendly fiber. We'll see you next time right here at TAZS Wig Closet.